Baby buddies! Hello, little friends. It's time to meet some amazing animals and learn where they live. Look at the cute rabbit. Where do you think rabbits live? Yes, they live in burrows underground. See the colorful bird. Can you guess where birds live? That's right, they live in nests high up in trees. Look at the big bear. Bears make their homes in cozy dens in the forest. Meet the busy beaver. Beavers build their homes, called lodges, with sticks and mud near rivers. Look at the tiny ant. Ants live in underground tunnels called ant colonies. See the sneaky spider. Spiders spin webs to catch their prey and make them their homes. Look at the clever fox. Foxes dig burrows called dens in the ground or find shelter in thick bushes. See the playful squirrel. Squirrels build nests called drays in trees using leaves and twigs. Look at the cute penguin. Penguins make their homes with rocks called rookeries in Antarctica. Look at the graceful horse. Horses live in shelters called stables on farms or ranches. See the friendly pig. Pigs live in pens or shelters called sties on farms. Look at the loyal dog. Dogs often live in kennels or doghouses in their owner's backyard. See the curious goat. Goats live in shelters or barns on farms, sometimes even in mountains. Look at the friendly donkey. Donkeys often live in barns or shelters on farms, where they rest and eat hay. Look at the clucking chicken. Chickens live in coops or hen houses on farms, where they lay eggs. Look at the busy bee. Can you guess where bees live? That's right, they live in hives made of wax. Look at the beautiful butterfly. Butterflies make their homes in gardens and meadows. See the slow-moving snail. Snails live in shells they carry on their backs. Look at the hopping frog. Frogs live in ponds, lakes, and streams. See the spotted ladybug. Ladybugs often make their homes in gardens, hiding under leaves. See the wriggling worm. Worms live in the soil, making tunnels and burrows. Look at the colorful dragonfly. Dragonflies make their homes near ponds and water bodies. See the munching caterpillar. Caterpillars live on leaves and branches, making silk cocoons. Look at the majestic tiger. Tigers make their homes in dense forests, hiding in caves or thick bushes. See the gentle elephant. Elephants live in habitats like forests and grasslands, making shelter under trees. Look at the sleek shark. Sharks swim in the deep ocean waters. Their home is wherever the water takes them. See the tiny mouse. Mice make their homes in cozy nests hidden in burrows underground or in nooks and crannies in buildings. Look at the flying bat. Bats hang upside down in caves, trees, or bat houses during the day and fly out at night to hunt insects. See the playful monkey. Monkeys live in trees in the forest, building nests called sleeping platforms out of branches and leaves. Look at the slithering snake. Snakes make their homes in holes underground, under rocks, or in trees. See the mighty crocodile. Crocodiles live in freshwater habitats like rivers, lakes, and marshes, where they make their homes in mud banks or hidden dens along the shore. What a fun learning adventure we had today! We discovered that creatures have special homes just like us. Remember, homes keep us safe and cozy. Until next time, bye-bye, little explorers.
Baby buddies!